Automation Anywhere and CNBC TV18 presents Future Ready India.
What role does RPA play in your customer experience management, and how does it really help you to ensure that every experience that you give out is top-notch?
So what counts for a good customer experience? I think a few essential components would be speed and accuracy. Automating the front office, I think the basic focus is to drive customer satisfaction. And it happens because a lot of the tasks, whether it is gathering customer data, whether it is updating information, registering something, security checks, these largely involve front office stuff, and a lot of these can be automated. And the moment you remove some of these tasks, what also happens is that you've taken out the monotony from the customer service associates' work. And that again means that the overall effectiveness of that conversation changes.
Sanjeev, let me come to you next. Girish was just making that point about breaking data silos. Give us a sense of, what is it that enterprises today can do to drive analytics better and decode customer behavior and preferences, not just for now, but also the future?
See, we've talked about how automation can help with repetitive processes, but similarly, automation can also be used to sift through large amounts of data, identifying relevant information. And data analysis, analytics follows the good old principle of garbage in, garbage out. So when you have good quality, clean data, then you have a lot more confidence in the analytics that you run. And creating that clean data in a structured way, in an organized way, is what RPA and automation excels at. I think Girish talked about hyper-personalization. Now, when you have the right kind of data and the ability to then analyze it, get insights from it, that is when you can start making those kind of analytics. You can draw conclusions, insights into customer behavior and preferences. And that is where good use of automation is leading us to. Customer preferences, can we scale it up? Can we then start looking at where else can it be leveraged? All of that become part of the overall analytics journey, which gets significantly benefited by a good use of automation. See, we talked about hybrid automation. So in India, as Surid and others mentioned, there's a lot of knowledge around processes. So now, if we were to marry that with the ability that the bots give us, and have a process where the process knowledge of our associates, our team leaders and others, as well as the ability to create the technology solutions and the automations that we have, putting that all together so that a seamless experience is delivered to the customer, is something that I think all of us are already working on, and that I believe is a big strength that Indian companies have.